tiny reef in the ocean has the potential to spark global conflicts. ये है स्कारबोरो shoal, एक छोटा triangular chain of rocks and reefs in the South China Sea. This shoal lies just about 120 nautical miles from the Philippines, well within its exclusive economic zone. But China also claims it using its controversial 9-dash line. 2012 में China took control of the shoal after a standoff with the Philippines. Then in 2016, an international tribunal ruled that China's claims had no legal basis and that blocking fishermen was illegal. But on the ground, or rather in the water, China never left. Now in April 2026, satellite images show something new. Chinese vessel and even a floating barrier have been placed at the entrance of the shoal's lagoon, stopping Filipino fishermen from entering a place they have used for generations. This matters for three big reasons. First, livelihoods. Fishermen from the Philippines depend on these waters, and being blocked means real economic loss. Second, strategy. The shoal sits near major global shipping routes, making it extremely valuable for military and trade control. And third, the biggest, conflict. The Philippines has a defense treaty with the US. So if tensions escalate into an armed clash, it could expand into a much larger international conflict. A small reef, multiple countries, and rising tension. The Scarborough Shoal is proof that in geopolitics, even the smallest places can have the biggest consequences.